All right, good morning, you guys. Today is day 4 of our Pirates kit. We are going to work on our Pirates game. Again, you guys can play this over and over and over. So many different ways you can use this board. The back is another game in itself. Okay?
Yep.
So, let's just look at the back real quick. Pirate, find, and count. Self-explanatory. You are going to look for the different objects, and then you're going to count them, and you're going to write the numbers down here. All right? So I'll do 1 with you. So if we're going to look for the coins, we're going to look up here. We're going to go, okay, so there's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. So I would write 4 in our box. Or if you cannot write the number 4 yet, you all know how to do dots.
Yep. Write it like the dice.
Do the same thing. So it's the same as up top.
Perfect.
Okay? So if you're really early at this, you would just be like circle 1, circle 2, circle 3, circle 4. And that way they can keep track. Okay? So this one you guys can do on your own, over and over. You can challenge one of your family members to do it as well. All right, so for the front of the game, our pirate race, you should have some coins, silver, gold. You should have a die. All right, pick which one you want to be. You can play by yourself or you can play with a friend. For show, Miss Rachel, do you want to play with me?
Sure, I'll play with you.
Okay. All right, which one do you want to be?
I'll be silver.
You'll
you
be
can
silver.
be gold.
All right. All right, so I'm going to roll the die. Ooh,
Woo.
I kind of threw the die. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I get to move 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, look at me. 5. Look at my arrow. I landed on this. So I get to go whoop, down.
There you go.
Okay, it's all you.
All right.
Can you do it, or do you want me to roll for you?
I can do it. Woo. There we go. All right. There we go. All right. Roll the dice. Ooh, let's count my dots. I have 1, 2. I'm going to take my silver piece. I'm going to go 1, 2. Just like that.
All right. All right, Miss Chrissy got 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, I got some catching up to do.
Yeah, you do.
Let's see.
1.
Woo! Oh boy. 1 whole spot. There we go.
Oh, I only got 1 too.
Okay.
That should make you feel a little better.
I know, right? Give me a little bit of time to catch up. Let's see. I got 1 again.
Wow, it's
wow.
not a loaded die. Oh, 5.
Ooh, nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Look at me go.
Wow. I think Miss Chrissy's going to get it. Let's see. 1 again.
Oh, that's
but
good though.
I get to take this little shortcut. There we go.
Okay, you got lucky on that one.
Yeah, I did.
And
Miss
6. So
Chrissy wins.
Miss
Good
Chrissy
game.
wins.
Good game.
Now, I want to show you if Miss Rachel missed this and she rolled maybe a 2, she would have gone 1, 2, and she wouldn't been able to go. But if she rolled a 4 and she didn't go down and she's coming around and she landed on that,
I have to go back up.
you have to go back up.
Ooh, I like that.
You have to go back up.
I like that.
Parents, it is laminated for a reason. Again, you can write numbers. You can write letters. Whatever you are practicing on for the week, fill your board in with it.
Yep.
So if your child lands on that, they would not only say the letter, but then they could tell you something that starts with that letter. So I landed on A. So I would say apple.
Or ahoy.
Ahoy. Oh, yeah. Let's stick with pirate words.
There we go.
Ahoy. Ahoy. Okay. Or same with the numbers. So if I landed on 1, I would just say 1, and maybe I could draw on a piece of paper or something 1 object.
There you go.
You know, just different ways to practice.
Yep.
You can add, move forward to, go back to.
Yep.
You can write on these anything you want to design it to meet your needs.
Yep, exactly.
So that is it. I know it was kind of a quick game because
Miss Chrissy
Chrissy
rocked
rocks.
it. Mm-hmm.
Don't forget about your pirate search on the back. And that's it. I hope you have fun. Let me know who wins. Bye, you guys.